Okay guys, so we're going to do the quarter glass. This one is a full exploded. What I did is calling the YOYO technique. You go inside, fishing the line, go outside, make a double loop, and you can just back over here on your spoon, or you can just climb on your leg, on your foot. Okay, I didn't bring my other clamp, I left it home. What you can do is this. That's all. I can finish my drill. So we're gonna just spray some water here, glass cleaner, just to get the wet line and don't break. Alright, now we're gonna make the cut. We go slowly here. Now the YOYO technique is gonna go down, cut, and come back. Okay, you see the line? YOYO, down. That's the YOYO, and go up, and now go down. This guy is gonna retract the line. You can just clamp on the spoon on your foot right here. You see? That one is gonna break the clip, easy. The tool is going to continue to cut it. And as you see, we're gonna finish the cut. That's why I spray glass cleaner, that way it's not gonna burn the paint. And that's all. So you can just, on this one with the exposed edge, what you can do is make a line inside, outside, double loop, or 3 loops, this direction, and it's gonna call the YOYO technique. It's gonna go up, down, cut, cut, and that's all. And we're done with the quarter glass. And that's it guys, okay? So we finished, as you see, it was easy, fast. We broke the clips with no problem, okay? Thank you so much and see you next time.